Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on disposable dust masks and respirators. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A typical half-face respirator is the safest option for some jobs, but can be excessive for others. If you are working at a job that can be done safely with nothing more than a dust mask or disposable respirator, it is important to know the difference between the two. More information on half or full-face respirators can be found in the lesson PPE Respiratory Protection. This lesson will cover what to be aware of and how to use Nuisance dust masks and other disposable respirators safely. The first and most flimsy type of respiratory protection is the Nuisance dust mask. These are not tested or approved by OSHA and are mainly for comfort relief when doing jobs like dusting or mowing the lawn. There is no lung protection when using a Nuisance dust mask. Basic safety guidelines when using a Nuisance dust mask are: do not use for contaminants the dust mask is not intended for. Do not use if the mask is contaminated in any way. Do not reuse the dust mask or share with others. Even if it may seem inconvenient to follow the guidelines, they are implemented for a reason. Please follow the manufacturer's guidelines and instructions to ensure you are using the mask properly. Most disposable respirators are labeled N95, which means they have been tested to block up to 95% of non-oil-based particles. There are also R95, resistant to oil, and O95, oil-proof varieties. The disposable respirator's effectiveness is evaluated by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health and is approved by OSHA. A fit test is required before the use of disposable respirators, and either a quantitative fit test or a qualitative fit test is acceptable. After you have been properly fitted, you must observe the following safety guidelines. Do not use disposable respirators for lead, asbestos, cadmium, gases.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.